What are you waiting for? What are you waiting for?
I'm not waiting for anything.
You get my sobs out. Oh, really?
You like peeling your cucumbers?
Yeah, yeah. They're good for you. There we go. Cut off the edges.
You gonna use those for your face?
No, oh, I might use the edges for my face.
Right.
There we go. Oh, I have to do this one here. There. So I cut off the edge. Whew. They're slippery.
Yeah, you gotta be careful.
These must be old.
No, they're not that old.
You don't think they're that
No,
old?
just bought them.
Well, yeah.
Just be
They're not
careful.
as hard as they used to be. They used to be real hard inside. There we go. Now I'm ready.
Ready to use your favorite gadget?
Yeah. You have to line these up. Get it ready to go. Put it in here. Do it with the knife for a while. Now, if they're ready to go, there you go. See? Now that's fast cut.
You like that, huh?
Yeah. This little gadget's worth every penny I spent on it.
Is it fun?
Yes, it is. That's a lot better than all these electric stuff they've got now. There. Too bad people don't use these. Saves time. See there? Won't be long, I'll be through cutting all this stuff. It should take you about 30 minutes if you did it by hand.
No, it wouldn't take you
Yeah, take you a long time.
that.
And I can do it in a jiffy. Look at there. See there?
Yeah, that's pretty good.
Yeah. It's filling it up. This cucumber was kind of on the soft side.
Huh.
They might have had wax on it, but that wax doesn't really keep it that good. There. Now for the onion. Now this onion might not. Ooh, that's a pretty big onion. I don't know if it'll fit in there or not. Well, I'll try it like this first. Now the
Be
onions,
careful, watch your fingers.
Onion's a little harder to do.
Need some help?
No, I can do it myself. Or the machine can do it. I just have to be careful how I cut it.
You might have to use a knife on that one, Mom.
No, I'm going to do it in here. What's left over, I'll use the knife. Oh, that's pretty red onion.
You like a red onion?
Yeah, that's. Oh, it looks so pretty in there. Yeah. Now let me turn around. This other side, maybe. Yeah. And get it on this side now. Maybe. Let's see how it's going to work.
No, that's giving you a problem, ain't it?
Yeah, kind of.
You'd rather do that than chop it with a knife, huh?
Oh, yeah. It's much thinner. Look at there how thin it is. That's much thinner. You can't get a knife that thin.
Well, I don't know about that.
That's better. Mm. What are you doing?